So hey everyone, so today we are going to solve LeetCode 2302 question, which is count Subarray with score less than k. So the score of an array is defined the product of the sum and its length. For example, the score of 1 2 3 4 5 is like 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 5 into 5 is equal to 75. So given a positive integer array nums and an integer k, return the number of non-empty subarray of nums whose score is strictly less than k. So a subarray is a continuous sequence of element with an array. So let's see, we have one example. So we have in nums we have given, let's suppose, 2 1 4 3 5. So we have to return like number of element, like number of sub array which value should be less than k. Okay, less than k. It should be like it can be just single element, can be double element, or so on. Okay, so let's see, less than k we have less than 10. Okay, so if we'll check like 2, how many element 2 is? 2 is just 1. 2 into 1 is, which is less than k. Yeah, it is. 1 into 1 less than k. Yeah, it is. 4 into 1 which is less than k. Yeah, it is. Now let's see double element. 2 into 2 plus 1 which is equal to 3 into 2. This is 2 elements, so like 3 into 2 which is equal to 6. 6 is less than 10. Yeah, it is. Now let's see if we can add one more element. 2 plus 1 plus 4 which is equal to 7 into 3 element. Okay, which is less than k. False. This is false. So like 5 these element and 1 combination of this element, so we have total 6 elements. So this is the way we are returning the 6 element. Okay, so let's see one example like how we are gonna solve the question. Okay, so let's see. Okay, 2 1 4 3 5 and k is 10. So we are gonna use kind of like sliding window. Okay, why sliding window will tell you. Like, see, the way I slide it here. Okay, and the way I'm gonna slide forward further, like, will tell you how I'm gonna slide it. So let's suppose we have left, we have right. So we'll check for this. 2 into, this is one element less than k. Yeah, it is. So in result we'll be storing 1. Okay, and then like we'll just increment the right value. Okay, right is here now. Okay, so 2 plus 1 3. 3 into 2 element which is less than k. Yeah, it is true. Now what we are gonna store in result, not just 1, but we are gonna store right minus left plus 1 which is equal to 1 plus 2 which is equal to 3. Why 3? See, we have done for 2, we have done for 1. Single, like we have done for 1, we have incremented 1. But when we are talking to 1, we have incremented 1 more. But think of it, 1 is also there. If the bigger thing is working, then the smaller thing will also work, as you know, because we are like finding the less than k. So if big thing is less than k, the smaller thing will also definitely less than k. Okay, this way. Right now we have 3. Now we'll slide 1. Right now we are not sliding, but yeah, we just incrementing the pointer. So right is here at 4. So 2 plus 1 plus 4 which is equal to 7 into 3 which is less than k. False. Now what we are going to do, this is the main logic we have. Left will slide here. Okay, 1 plus 4 5 into 2 again less than k, we are gonna slide. Now we have 4. Okay, now 4 into 1 which is less than k, it is. Okay, so what we are gonna store, result equal to, we have already 3 plus right minus left plus 1. 3 plus right is on the same spot. 2 minus 2 plus 1 which is equal to 4. This way we are gonna solve it and slide the left. So we'll show you in a diagrammatically. This is the, like, let's suppose we have this box so far. Now we have we have incremented the value. Now we have seen that here it is getting filled, so we will slide from here. Okay, again it is getting filled, maybe because this number here is too big. Now we'll slide here. Now it is passing. Then we will slide. Now we are not gonna slide, we are gonna like increment the right value, something like that. Then something like that if the condition is true. Okay, so this way, this is called slide. So here we go, we are gonna solve this question. Okay, so okay, there is some macros here. We'll define long, and then from here, like, we'll define some variables, count and we need sum, and also we need left, and okay, yeah. So we'll just iterate, or let's suppose we'll be taking like right. We'll just shift the right, okay. So right is less than your size, okay, kind of, and then right plus plus. After that we'll be like, okay, we'll be summing the values, and just, okay, we don't need the brackets, sums, right, this is just to sum the first value. So here, from here, we're gonna slide the window like while if sum into, and then what we're gonna do, right minus left plus 1, okay. Right minus left plus 1 if it is greater than equal to k, okay. If it's greater than equal to k, then we are gonna just like add, no, not add, just like we are gonna decrease the value, okay. So we'll just decrease sums minus nums of that condition which I shown you, like when the value is greater than k. Then how we gonna shift it, this is the way we are gonna shift it. And then here we are gonna, if it is not like, yeah, we're gonna just add within the count right minus left plus 1, and then we'll be returning count. Let's see, there should not be any problem here. So it says, okay, we have initialize, so now it should run. Cool. Okay, so this is the solution.